Hi, my name is Heather, and I live here in Michigan, United States. I want to tell somebody of my journey with PCOS, which I didn't know was my diagnosis until approximately 2005, and they had no clue how to treat it. I had originally started at 120 pounds. I was 17 years old. My period stopped suddenly for no reason. I couldn't figure it out. I was trying to figure out what I did wrong. When I'm several different birth controls to try and control it. Over the period of a matter 6-7 months, I gained 80 pounds. I went from 120 to approximately 210 pounds. That was my first big weight jump. Then I couldn't get pregnant. I tried for several years to get pregnant. Was unsuccessful. My first try of Clomid, I did get pregnant. I got pregnant with multiple babies. And my son, one night, just started hemorrhaging. And I currently have a gonna be 14-year-old son next week who survived the miscarriages. I had another son who was gonna be 13th on August 8th, 2000, this year, 2014. And my pregnancies were horrible. I almost had Corey 6 weeks too early. He was born 4 pounds, 15 ounces. After the years and years, I just kept gaining more weight. I had open heart surgery. I had an aortic valve replacement because it was stenosed, probably due to the weight gain of PCOS, is what they said. Also, genetics, family history. I was born with a quadricuspid aortic valve, and it just became stenosed over the years of gaining weight. And they said poor diet, but my diet is mostly of fruits and vegetables and chicken and fish, so that, couldn't possibly be the only explanation. That's all I ever get from every doctor is poor diet, lose weight. They still, at this time, had this was 2006, I had the heart valve replacement. Still at this time, no successful treatment of metformin, other than metformin for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, and no clue what was going on with my body, just telling me I need more exercise more and lose weight. That's all any doctors ever say to you. Going back and forth, my stomach always looks like I'm pregnant. That never goes away. People ask all the time, are you pregnant? No. When are you due? I'm not pregnant. Don't ask me when I'm due. This is just because I'm fat. And it's hard to say I'm fat. I can't handle it. That's the biggest part of my polycystic ovarian syndrome is my weight, and the health concerns that come along with it. So here it is today, 2014. I had a last child at 2011, and also a boy, and I had my tubes tied. Since then, my weight has plummeted. It has went from 240 pounds when I delivered the baby it was maybe 250, to current weight of 295. I fluctuate anywhere from 295 to 300. I was just diagnosed with diabetes. My A1C level was 7.1 the other day. I'm taking metformin. I'm taking all the vitamins that I could possibly, that you guys have showed me to, nobody here knows anything other than metformin for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. So I'm just trying to get internet help. So I've taken a lot of multivitamins that have been offered on the PCOS Diva site, a few other places here on the internet, and you guys have helped me out a lot. But currently, my heart valve again is regurgitating, and it has only been 8 years since my first surgery, and I'm not ready for another surgery. And I can't handle being this fat. 295 fluctuating between 300. This is ridiculous when I eat barely anything. If I looked at everything that everybody else ate in my work or in my life, and I said, wait a minute, they're eating that and they're fine. But I ate a piece of bread and I gained 5 pounds. Ridiculous. I think that's my biggest struggle, is that and depression. I do have hair in other places that they shouldn't be. But mostly, the fact that I look 9 months pregnant and that I'm big and very unhappy. I'm going to see an endocrinologist at the end of next month, and I'm hoping that I get some sort of help. I pray out there for other women out there that are going through the same thing. I've survived open heart surgery. I've survived cancer through this whole struggle, and I'm going to survive this.
I challenge every PCOS sister out there to make a video and share it.